How to get rid of skin moles fast. One baking soda. My first preference would be the use of baking soda. You can make a paste to apply this onto your moles. As a wet ingredient, sometimes people use apple cider vinegar, rice vinegar or castor oil. Castor oil is an active ingredient which diminishes the growth of any superfluous substances on your skin. Baking soda helps to dry out the area because wet area can create a lot more trouble. Ingredients: baking soda, castor oil / apple cider vinegar / rice vinegar. Process and usage: take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and take any aforesaid wet particle. I prefer using castor oil to make a paste out of it. Then apply the mixture only onto your moles and leave overnight. Continue this process for about 4-5 days. This will surely help to reduce the black or brown moles. Baking soda also helps to remove the scar which occurs due to moles. This process is a bit slow process which will give obvious result. At first, apply 5 days continuously before going to bed at night. Then you can apply the mixture 1 time in 3 days. 2. Tree tea oil. Tree tea oil is very effective in removing moles. Take a cotton ball and then soak some tree tea oil. Then apply it on your moles. This is very popular among people as it is very easy to use. Apply this oil twice a day until the mole falls off from the skin. One of my friend is allergic to tree tea oil, so before applying it to your moles, firstly check it by putting onto your hand to taste either you're allergic or not. Before moving forward, please subscribe if you are new here and click the bell icon to get the fastest notification. Let's talk about the solution. We have researched on the skin moles and found some most effective solution for you. We are going to discuss the number. Wart and Mole, Vanish by Pristine Herbal Touch. About the product: 1 20-minute application is normal. No daily applications. Safe, 100% natural. 25+ years of research and development. Hundreds of thousands have used Wart Mole Vanish. This product does not contain bloodroot, sanguinary canadensis, or zinc butter, zinc chloride. Guaranteed to work, or your money back. Quantity 0.05 milliliters, sufficient for 2-5 growths, 1/4 or 5 millimeters, or 5/25 smaller ones, 1/16 or 2 millimeters. Product description: Wart Mole Vanish is the world's only 20-minute, single application mole, wart, skin tag and seringoma removal product. No daily application of creams, acids or oils. Wart Mole Vanish, WMV, is a safe, all-natural, international multi-award-winning, wart and mole removal product from Pristine Herbal Touch. Effectively removes warts, genital warts, mosaic warts, plantar foot warts, and warts, human papillomavirus, HPV, moles on the skin and face, skin tags and seringoma. Unlike surgery or other costly solutions on the market today, our wart and mole remover cream is cost-effective and easy to use at home. After many years of research and development and proven through extensive clinical studies in Asia, Wart Mole Vanish is clearly the #1 choice to remove warts, moles, skin digs, seringoma and genital warts. Hundreds of thousands of people have already used this amazing product to safely and effectively remove their warts, moles, skin tags and seringoma. Pristine Herbal Touch has been a leading worldwide provider of health and beauty products for many years now. We stand firmly behind all our products and guarantee results or your money back. Quantity, 0.05 milliliters. Is sufficient for 2-5 growths, 1/4 or 5 millimeters, or 5/25 smaller ones, 1/16 or 2 millimeters. In order to receive customer support and warranty service, you must provide the serial number located at the bottom of every Wart and Mole Vanish package. Merchandise with missing or altered serial numbers may be stolen or counterfeit. If you want to know more about the product and want to purchase, click on the description link.